Is honey considered a kosher food ingredient? Have you ever wondered if honey fits into the kosher diet? It's a sweet topic that deserves some attention. Let's break it down. Honey is considered kosher when it is pure and free from any non-kosher additives or contamination. This means that if you find honey in its natural state, it is generally accepted as kosher. But why is that? While bees themselves are not kosher, honey is viewed differently. It is essentially flower nectar that bees collect and transform. This distinction is important because it means honey is not a secretion from the non-kosher insect itself. Talmudic discussions provide two main reasons for honey's kosher status. One reason is that it is seen as a plant product gathered by bees. The other reason is a specific scriptural exception that allows honey to be kosher. Now, for honey to keep its kosher status, it must be handled and processed correctly. This means that the equipment used for extracting and packaging the honey should not have been used for non-kosher foods. Also, no non-kosher ingredients can be added. For example, flavored honey or honey that has been processed without kosher certification may lose its kosher status. It's also worth mentioning that related bee products, like bee bread, which is a mixture of pollen and honey, and beeswax are generally considered kosher when they are pure and processed properly. Although beeswax is not food, it is often used in kosher food production as a certified ingredient. For those who keep kosher, looking for honey with a reliable kosher certification, known as Hechsher, is a good practice. This certification ensures that the honey meets all kosher standards. While pure, raw honey without additives is presumed kosher. Having that certification gives extra assurance that the entire process complies with Kashrut laws. In summary, honey itself is kosher as a natural product. However, maintaining its kosher status requires attention to purity, processing methods, and certification. So, the next time you reach for that jar of honey, you can enjoy it knowing that, when handled correctly, it fits right into a kosher diet.